Hello viewers, today we are going to see how to install Apache Tomcat using apt-get manager in Ubuntu. The link to the Blogspot is given below. We can install Tomcat in two simple steps. First one is installing Tomcat and other is installing dependencies. Let's say first thing to do is update the package manager using the following command. Copy, paste it, update. We'll update the package manager list. Next thing to do is to simply install the Tomcat8. As the update is done, install the package. Wait until the installation completes. After the installation, check the Tomcat status using the following command. Sudo service Tomcat status will give the current status of Tomcat. As it says active and green color light indicates it's up and running. Go to Tomcat local manage. Oh, it works. It means Tomcat is up and running. Next step is to install the dependencies or other packages which you need to run Tomcat. Tomcat8 docs will give the documentation of how to use Tomcat, etc. And Tomcat8 examples are basic examples or basic web applications which is pre-deployed in the Tomcat server, which can use to give us an example. And Tomcat8 will be an administrator manager package which you can use to deploy packages, etc., and which gives you the authorization exam, etc. First we have to install the dependencies using the command sudo apt install and the dependencies name. Let's say in our case we install all the three dependencies: documentation, admin, and example. After the installation is completed, restart the Tomcat. Restart to apply the changes. As it says, we should give Tomcat along with version. We'll restart the Tomcat. Wait until the process completes. As it's complete, go to the manager. It will prompt for a password. As it's the first time we don't know the password, just click cancel. It will say configure tomcat users.xml, which is where we have to configure the Tomcat users using the following command sudo nano or whatever the editor we gedit. Click there. We're using Tomcat8, so click Tomcat8 users.xml. It will have a predefined role and password. You can just uncomment it, or you can just give a new entry to it. Go to the last. Before the Tomcat users, I have already give a format Tomcat users. In the Tomcat user you have to give the username which is admin, paste this, and role is, let's say, manager GUI or admin GUI, which is GUI's graphical user interface. Just remove the quotes and re-enter it as the web page quotation is different from this quotation. Change it, as you can see the color difference. Before exiting the Tomcat configuration, comment the default configuration, exit, save changes, restart the Tomcat to apply the changes. Go to the manager app, enter the username as admin, password as password. Voila, you have the manager app. You can deploy using this. You can deploy directly the war files from browsing it, and click on the war file and click open and click deploy to deploy it. After configuring, you can also configure the parameters such as memory required for Tomcat etc. in the following file: sudo nano etc. default Tomcat, which you can configure. Sudo nano default Tomcat. You can configure the parameters such as memory required for running the Tomcat using this file. And step 0, which is in case you need to remove the Tomcat. Some persons have asked how to remove the Tomcat. In my previous video, persons have asked how to uninstall the Tomcat. Let's say before uninstalling the Tomcat, we have to stop the Tomcat service. So sudo service Tomcat stop will kill the Tomcat service. After killing, you can remove it using the command sudo remove to remove or purge to remove, including all the configuration file. Sudo apt-get. You can either use remove or purging according to your requirements. Then give Tomcat8. This will uninstall the Tomcat. If you want to remove the Tomcat which you have been added from the other tutorial, the previous Tomcat tutorial, how to install you without using apt-get manager, as we have exactly not installed it, we just copy the Tomcat into a Tomcat folder. This is not a complete installation. We can just remove it, not by using sudo apt-get remove, but by using this command rm-r hop. Tomcat will remove all the contents of the Tomcat because we have not installed it according to the Linux package manager. We just copied it and put it in the particular folder. So we cannot say we can remove or purge it. We can just remove the folder. That's it. Thank you.